First steps on the moon. First magic on Earth. In the summer of 1969, while millions watched grainy footage of astronauts taking their first steps on the moon, something extraordinary was happening, something that would never make it to the public broadcasts. As Neil Armstrong moved across the Sea of Tranquility, he noticed strange, pale crystals scattered across the lunar surface. They seemed to hum in the vacuum of space, creating impossible ripples in the moon dust. The rocks pulsed like living hearts in the eternal lunar night. Back on Earth, inside the heavily guarded Lunar Receiving Lab, scientists made a discovery that would change the course of the Cold War. These weren't just rocks, they were something else entirely. Feathers would drift sideways in their presence, clocks would stutter and stop, and radio signals twisted into haunting whispers of unknown origin. The Soviets weren't far behind. Their Luna missions, broadcasted as routine sample collections, secretly targeted a mysterious glowing vein of crystal-laden rock. As America watched these ordinary broadcasts, Soviet scientists were already cutting into red vein shards that defied our understanding of physics. Both superpowers established black sites in remote locations. The CIA and KGB raced to weaponize these otherworldly materials. In a classified desert facility, American scientists tore open what they described as a shimmering seam in reality itself, a tear that sealed itself shut, leaving behind more questions than answers. The Shadow War intensified. On a foggy night in Berlin, a double agent made the exchange of a lifetime, moon rocks for moon rocks. Witnesses reported an eerie blue light leaking from a diplomatic briefcase, like something from a science fiction novel. Strange phenomena began occurring worldwide. Auroras appeared over the equator, compasses spun wildly in major cities, and people reported brief moments of weightlessness in downtown streets. While governments scrambled to explain these events with weather balloons and solar flares, the truth was far more extraordinary. It all came to a head when both American and Soviet missions landed at the same lunar crater, each seeking what they called the mother lode. But as they prepared to extract this powerful resource, something went wrong. The crystals began resonating, building to a dangerous crescendo. In that moment, these Cold War enemies faced a critical choice: destroy this power forever, share it, or risk starting humanity's first magical war among the stars. What really happened up there? The official records remain classified, but sometimes on clear nights, if you watch carefully, you might see unusual lights dancing across the moon's surface. Remnants, perhaps of a secret war fought not with missiles and bombs, but with something far more mysterious.